Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're coming across an issue on your Windows 11 computer that says the file or directory is corrupted or unreadable. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search icon, type in CMD. Best result should come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, go ahead and select yes. And now into this elevated command line window, you want to type in SFC followed by a space /scanl. Scanl should all be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard to begin the system scan. This will take some time to run, so please be patient. Okay, so once that's done, type in CHK DSK space /F space C and then do a colon, so C colon. You see how you see it on my screen here. And the C will be dependent upon what drive Windows is installed on, so it's C in my case, but if you open up File Explorer, select this PC on the left side, you can see a little Windows icon above the hard drive and our disk drive letters right here. So just swap out the C with the correct drive letter if it needs to be different in your case, and hit enter. You will need to restart your computer to initiate the scan, so tap Y and hit enter. Close out of here and restart your computer. Okay, so hopefully I would have been able to resolve your problem, guys. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.